In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. To do this, you want to go and open up the Klarna app on your phone, and from the home screen, simply gonna search for Airbnb. Then select Airbnb, and then here it will redirect you to the Airbnb website. Now in the bottom right, go and click on login, and from here just gonna sign into your Airbnb account. Now find the place that you want to book using Klarna. For example, I'll just get one right here and just gonna add the dates and stuff like that for when you want to book it. Then where it says choose when to pay, if it's available for you, click on pay over time with Klarna and then click next. Now I'll also show you something that you can do if that doesn't show up for you, but now just gonna sign up or log into your account if you haven't done so yet, and then you will be able to pay with Klarna at checkout as you would on any other website. If this doesn't show up for you, then the reason that you want to do this through the Klarna app is because now in the bottom you can click pay with Klarna and you can see they say create a one-time card and use it at the merchant's checkout. So click on create one-time card. Now choose how much you are spending at Airbnb and that can then be added to this card. Then click continue. Then it will create the one-time card for you, and from there you can now click on agree and create card, and you can pay in 30 days interest-free doing this. So now you can then just use that card or those card details at checkout, and then you will also have paid with Klarna, and the money will then just be taken from your Klarna balance, and you will be able to find it right here in your wallet section. So that's how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.